Unlock budget-friendly fuel and master the Costco gas pump with this essential guide. First things first, you'll need a valid Costco membership to access their fuel stations. Keep your membership scanner card or the Costco app on your phone handy, as you'll need to scan it to start the process. Once you're at the pump, locate the scanner. It's usually on the kiosk, where you select your fuel grade. Simply hold your membership card or phone app up to the scanner until it confirms your membership and illuminates the screen. Next, you'll be prompted to select your fuel grade. Just like at any other gas station, choose the octane level that's right for your vehicle: regular, premium, or diesel if your car requires it. Remember, the price is typically displayed prominently for each grade. Now for payment. Costco gas stations primarily accept Visa credit cards. Some locations might also accept mobile payment options that are linked to a Visa card. Insert your card into the reader and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're using a debit card, it will likely be processed as a credit transaction. With your membership and payment confirmed, it's time to fuel up. Open your car's fuel door. Make sure you're parked close enough to the pump so the hose can comfortably reach your vehicle's fuel tank. Carefully lift the gas pump nozzle from its holder. Make sure it's securely seated in your car's fuel inlet. Squeeze the trigger on the nozzle to begin dispensing fuel. The pump will automatically stop when your tank is full, or when you reach your pre-authorized spending limit. You can also stop the flow at any time by releasing the trigger. Once you're done fueling, place the nozzle back securely into the pump holder. The pump will finalize the transaction, and you'll be able to take your receipt. And that's it. You've successfully filled up your tank at Costco. Enjoy those savings.